and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you how to get neon yellow glow-in-the-dark nails with colored monomer. So I just showed you guys that neon pigment, got that from eBay, and it is a yellow glow-in-the-dark pigment. And I mixed a little bit of that, you guys, with my Hema free monomer from Gliterbells. You're going to want to mix in less than you actually think that you need. These pigments are super pigmented, so I would start with a little bit and then test it out with clear acrylic and keep on adding pigment until you get the opacity that you would like, guys. So yep, today we are going to be coloring our monomer and getting really cool neon yellow glow-in-the-dark nails. So here comes the fun part, you guys. Oh, I love this. So I just went straight into that monomer, mixed with the yellow pigment, mixed it really well. And then I'm using my ezflow True Dip clear here, clear polymer, clear powder, and I'm dipping it into that neon yellow glow-in-the-dark pigment monomer that I mixed myself. And I could not believe how easy this was, you guys. The nails turned out amazing. It was really buttery and smooth when I picked it up with the clear acrylic. I really enjoyed this, and I cannot wait to do more colored monomer nails. So here I'm just building up the nail, filling in any sparse spots here. And I got these pigments from eBay, you guys. As always, I will link absolutely everything down in the description box below for you guys. And you guys, please subscribe. I do tons of cool nail things on this channel, and I teach you all the hacks, tips, and tricks to get easy, affordable, and cheap nails, all at the convenience of your home. So I'm just continuing on, you guys, and you're basically using this monomer as you would regular monomer. It works absolutely no different here. I am using medium to wet beads. I found that this made the nail more opaque and easier to work with. But yeah, I just put that neon colored pigment into the monomer. I used a really small amount and then tested it out with the clear acrylic to get the opacity that I liked. And then I'm just using the regular clear acrylic here and the monomer with the neon powder in it. And that's it, you guys. Super easy and super affordable. I absolutely love this, and I'm also going to test out and see if these pigments glow in the dark. So keep watching until the end to find out if they glow. So as I said before, you guys, I am working here with medium wet beads. In general, whenever I use colored acrylic, I find it's really easier to get the full opacity and true color of the colored acrylic if you use wetter beads rather than drier beads when you're building up that color. Remember, we're not building strength here to the nail. We just want to get that color, and then we are going to build the strength of the nail with the clear acrylic when we encapsulate. And this was so much fun to work with, you guys. I really enjoyed it. I thought that with the pigment it would make it runny, but it actually didn't run at all, you guys. I was really impressed how this worked. It took some finessing around to make sure that I got the opacity that I liked, but I think that's just because this pigment was a glow-in-the-dark pigment. So I don't think you'll have this issue with regular pigments at all, and it really wasn't an issue. I just had to keep on building it up to get that opacity. But the nails actually were pretty thin. They weren't too bulky and were pretty easy to finish file. I am loving this neon color, you guys. Perfect for summer and really anytime. And we are doing fun stiletto nails today. These tips, you guys, I got them from AliExpress, but you can also get them on Amazon. And I absolutely love these tips for all shapes of nails. They work fabulously. So now we are going to move into some fun nail foils. So these are holographic nail foils in different shapes here. And originally I thought I was going to use this one, but then I moved on to a different one. This one is like a jungle nail foil. It has leaves and flowers and birds and basically everything you would find in the jungle. It's a really tropical nail foil, and it is holographic, you guys. So to get that nail foil on, I am applying here. You guys see the makartt nail foil transfer gel. Cured that for 60 seconds and went right in with this nail foil. And whenever you're working with nail foil, you guys, you really want to make sure that you are pressing and scratching that nail foil into the nail so that you get a perfect transfer onto your nail with no missing spots. Yeah, I really enjoyed this transfer foil. It has basically really small leaves and flowers and individual leaves, and then it has like little birds on it. It even has a bigger toucan on it at one point throughout the foil. And I got this foil kit, you guys, on AliExpress, and I will link everything down below for you guys. So I am going to do transfer foil on the ring finger as well. So I am applying this transfer foil gel. And you guys, I did clear cap these nails. I just didn't manage to get that on camera. I'm so sorry. But I clear cap all my nails in all my other acrylic videos, so you guys are more than welcome to watch those. And I did clear cap them, you guys. Finish file them with a 180 grit sanding band or a hand file. And then you want to make sure that you buff your nails, clean them with rubbing alcohol, and then you're ready to go in with all of this stuff. So I'm just pressing that transfer foil on the nail, and oh my goodness, you guys, the transfer foil came out so cool. I really enjoyed it. And again, as I showed you guys before, just showing you again how I do this on my ring finger. Just really, you guys, with transfer foil, make sure once you get it out of the lamp, the transfer foil gel, make sure you go in immediately with your transfer foils. If you wait too long, you guys, that sticky layer is not as sticky anymore, and the transfer isn't as smooth and as vivid as you would like it to be. Not everything transfers over, so make sure you do that. It's a big tip. I learned the hard way, but make sure that you do not wait, even though it's a curing in the lamp, and you would think that you could wait a long time, but I would suggest transferring that foil onto your nail immediately as they get out of the lamp. Alright, you guys, and here we are going in with my aimeili No Wipe top gel. As always, love this top gel. Keeps the nails super shiny. They last for 3 to 4 weeks. That shine doesn't chip. I highly recommend this top gel, and I am just top gelling those nails with the nail foil transfer. And then I'm going to go in and apply some really cool leaves on my other fingers here. As usual, you guys know the routine. When I use big bling crystals, I like to apply Orly Gel FX Builder in a bottle, and then directly on top of that I apply my aimeili No Wipe top coat. This ensures that my crystals and bling pieces stay in place. So here are these leaves, you guys. I got these from AliExpress in a pack of other super cute nail decos. So I will leave that link for you guys. And I'm just getting these on to the nails here. And then we're going to cure this all for 60 seconds. And oh my goodness, you guys, these super cool neon yellow nails, colored acrylic nails, all with colored monomer. We didn't use any colored acrylic here, you guys, just colored up our monomer. And here are some nice shots of them. And they did glow in the dark here, you guys. You see that glow, so cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed.